A transparent sheet X this is folded with a pattern and a dotted line is given. Select the figure from the option as to how the pattern would appear when the transparent sheet X is folded along the dotted line. Means what? See, this is the sheet and we fold this on this line. So how will it appear? See, this black circle will superimpose on this within this middle this big circle. This line will superimpose over here, and this smaller circle will again superimpose on this triangle, right? So B and C not possible. Why B is not possible? See here, this triangle is facing downwards. Here it is facing upwards. So gone. C is not possible because this line is touching these two black circles. Means in the center of these two black circles. Here it's not in the center of these two black circles. So C is also gone. So only A satisfies this solution, this answer. So A is the answer. Download Yuvaguru app from Play Store to get these videos, tests, question banks with explanations directly on your mobile. Get 500